Hi guys, I'm bringing you into my pantry today to purge and to organize it. So come along.
Welcome to Biology. Hello guys, welcome back to Biology. Well, today it is like 2 something a.m. in the morning. Yes, I have on my hairpiece because I am coming to work. So you see the door right behind me, that is one of my pantries in my kitchen. The other one is on the other side, and that is my pot pantry. But I am doing my food pantry. Guys, it is beyond past time to get done. I will show you right now what my pantry looks like. I did go into the at-home store and pick up a few containers and some baskets that I'm going to be doing my pantry with. I'm going to go through, check dates, remove things that I don't need, remove things that the kids probably have ate a certain portion of and has not been back to them. I am going to deep clean, wipe down, mop. I'm going to do the whole 9 yards. And then I am going to re-bin everything and put in the organization that I want. I'm going to show you some of the containers that I did pick up. Also, I do have an additional containers that I did pick up a while back. So these are the ones that I did pick up from the at-home store since the lockdown has ended. So this is giving me something to do. So guys, I'm gonna bring you in and show you the items, the storage containers that I pick up from the at-home stores. Okay guys, these are the containers. I'm not sure how many of the right size that I have. Those are the cereal containers. I am so happy I found those, although I really want them with white lids, but they are gray. So that's perfectly fine because as you can see in my granite, I do have gray. So that's perfectly fine. And also these two are the ones that I previously bought from the at-home store. So guys, these are what I'm going to be working with. So let's get busy. Let's unclutter my pantry. this is what it looks like. It seemed like it took me forever, guys. And yeah, this is what it is. Now, besides I was cooking something, I'm gonna show you what came out of this pantry. This is all that came out of, minus my ring light, came out of my pantry. And I had this storage in there. So guys, this stuff came out of my pantry. So will I be decluttering also? Absolutely. So let me get to cleaning inside here. Okay guys, I just swept it down. I thought I hit play. I just swept it down and finna mop it. My baby is washing all the containers and getting all the containers ready for me. I got to go through, declutter, and while I'm doing that, my floor and my shelves. I was gonna recover my shelves, but I didn't think about it, and it's 3 a.m. so stores closed. So I'm gonna go ahead and mop and all my wood on the bottom. And then guys, I'll be going through looking to see what I'm gonna keep, what I'm not gonna keep, separated. I don't think I'm gonna do all the separation on camera. I'll let you see what I'm doing, stocking everything back up. So, all right, be back. Okay guys, it's officially 4:30 a.m. This has been a task and a half. I did have help by my daughter, and still, it was a task. But nevertheless, do you want to see the reveal? Okay. So guys, this is my pantry now. I am going to bring you up a little bit closer. The glass jars I already had. The labels, I did not want them like I did these. So my daughter just wrote those on there, and I can easily take them off, erase them, put more on there, and they just hang from them. So guys, I absolutely love my pantry. And what I'm going to do right now, insert a picture of the before and after. So guys, I'm gonna bring you up. The only thing guys that I know I'm definitely gonna do, I'm gonna get probably some push on lights or a remote control light or something here, and I put something on the wall for the remote, because in here is dark. So that's why you don't have to turn on the lights or anything, and you could just come in and just hit the remote or hit the light and it comes on. So that's the only thing that I am going to change. So guys, I'm going to come and bring you in a little bit closer. Okay guys, this is from top to bottom. And guys, I'm absolutely loving my pantry now. Let's take it to the front. I got to get some more of these labels, and they did come from Hobby Lobby. 12 of them was $2.99, and the threading was from Dollar Tree, the big roll for $1. So I do need to put that on my rice and my flour. My husband loved to put his stuff individually, so therefore I put his stuff up there individually. So down below I have my coffee. These are my cheddar biscuits, my pasta, my Oreos, and I try to form the Oreos in a different little way in here. Let me see if I can pull them out. See, I did it that way just to put a little pattern to it. That's my confectionate flour. My daughter, like I said, do a lot of baking, so that is her confectionate cake mix. Splenda, those are my cheesy potatoes. That is my grits. This container, I didn't put a tab on it because I said I ran out, but this is like my little snacks, which is going to be everybody else's snacks also. These are my honey peanuts. These are my walnuts. These two are definitely for my salads. This container has to have a lid. Those are instant. Let me bring you closer. This is instant grits and oatmeal. So that's what's in that. And it's like a bread container, but I don't use it for that. And it just nicely closes right back up. This is our coffee pods for the curate. Those are Nutty Buddy cookies. Those are Chips Ahoy soft batch. They love soft batch. I didn't have a whole bunch of cereal, so I do have the containers there. That's one, and I have one in the back, and then there's a little one right there. I was gonna get the containers like that, but I'm gonna see what happened because, of course, you can see, guys, I have no more room, so I'll do it that way. So I put my lemon juice back there, and this. Let me bring this closer. Guys, this is so good. I did buy these from Big Lots for $1.50. It's another one that my kids eat also. So I have 3 of those. Then I have my Sonic's Jello, and then my daughter has the Jello Play Sand. So down here, I have my Reese's Peanut Butter and Chocolate. That's something that my daughter would bake for her brothers and her stepdad. These are mine. I love lemons, guys. Love lemons. So I found these at Dollar Tree. So I haven't tried those out. I will let you know in a next video somewhere down the line what they taste like. With my diet, I do craisins. I absolutely love prunes. My grandmama started us with prunes. I love some prunes. This is the cinnamon French toast coffee creamer. Then I have my Lipton tea, some taco shells, and in the back is like cake mix, pancake mix, rice, my syrup. And then I have this basket. And of course, this basket is another item that I did pick up from the at-home stores. And I just have chips and popcorn in there. This is a basket also that I did pick up from at-home stores. So I have like the aluminum foil and the paper towels in there. And then on this side is just the water. That'll be gone probably by tomorrow. Those are the rest of the pork rinds. And then I have vinegar, which is my son on. And then the cooking oils, which that probably sits there forever. So guys, this is my pantry. I'm loving it, guys. I really, really love it. I can't wait to see the surprise on my husband's face because I'm not going to say anything. So guys, my pantry is done. I'm loving it. So next up will be my pot pantry. I don't want to show you that. You'll wait to see what that looks like on another video. But when I was at home store, these containers did come from the at-home store, and also the basket that I showed. I do have baskets and the pot holders, the lid holders, frying pan holders for my pot pantry, which is over there. So I have a pot pantry and I have a food pantry, which is right behind me. So it's something about me. I don't like my pots and pans, my pots, frying pans up under a sink. I don't know what it is up under the counter. I don't like that. So I was blessed in this house that I do have a pot pantry. And in the next 2 years, year and a half, when we get ready to purchase a new home, the kitchen is going to be a must for me, and I want another pantry. If it's a staircase and it's an open, it's one YouTuber I absolutely love her, and it's Style by Casanova. When she was showing how she opened up the bottom of her staircase, I was just like, you know what? I love a pot pantry. And the next home we find, if it has an open and I don't have where I have a pot pantry, I'm gonna steal her little trick and I'm gonna open up that area up under my staircase, as long as it's close to my kitchen, and make a pot pantry. I absolutely love having a pot pantry. So the other places that I'm gonna do organizing too is, like I said, my pot pantry, under my kitchen sink, and also my cooking sheets and my cake pans and all. So I do have that coming up. So guys, I am gonna end this. This is like 5 a.m. in the morning. I'm gonna go lay in my bed and get me some juice, and I'm gonna edit this. So hopefully I'll be able to get it up to you tomorrow. So guys, please like, comment, share, thumbs up my video. If you are new here, welcome. And if you're one of my returning, welcome back. And guys, you know what I always say. I hate to go, but I will be back. And until the next time, guys, bye.
Thank you for watching.